Did you know that instituting proper protocols into your podiatry office can make a huge difference to your bottom line and to the overall success of your practice? Many times as a consultant, I go into podiatry offices and I see the doctors rushing from room to room, trying to see as many patients as possible. And they think in their head, I should dispense that brace. I should run that test. I should use that ultrasound machine. I should use that new thing I bought at the last conference. But I'm running a half an hour behind and Mrs. Jones is waiting for me. And so they rush off to the next room, yelling at their medical assistants to bring them this or to do that. And at the end of the day, they sit down to 3 hours worth of charting and a bank balance that frankly isn't going anywhere. And they think, this is not what I went to med school for. This is not why I opened up a private practice. And this is not why you went to med school. And this is not why you own a private practice. There is a better way. I help practitioners develop effective, lucrative, and time-saving protocols. And for the first time ever, I am here to invite you to a hands-on, fast-paced workshop that I will be doing at the IPED Fall Conference. Now, this conference is going to be held at the Pittsburgh Airport Marriott, September 7th and September 8th. Not only will you learn how to build your protocols, but you will also learn information on podiatric dermatology, orthotics for all ages, marketing, handling insurance, your Google advertising, and how the new tax laws will affect your practice and ultimately your bottom line. There'll be lots of roundtable discussions so that you can come with any questions that you may have, and the experts and other podiatrists will be there to answer those questions. But don't forget to sign up for the protocol building workshop. This will be in the evening on Friday, and this protocol workshop will allow you to build customized protocols for your office. And on Saturday morning, I will be dispensing those protocols to you. They'll both be in digital form and in printed form, along with all the billing information that you would need to institute those protocols. This session will only be available to the first 50 attendees. So please register now, and you'll be on your way to building effective, lucrative, and time-saving protocols that will be ready for immediate implementation. I look forward to seeing you on Friday evening, and I look forward to seeing you at the rest of the conference. For information on how to sign up, it is below in the comments. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out, and I would be happy to help you.